Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hassan, and on this channel I share my travel videos from around the world as well as do some travel related tech reviews. Now today is a very exciting day for me because I am about to order my first ever 27-inch iMac, and I would like to share this excitement with you of buying it and then later on unboxing it. So let's go and order. So here we have three options, but I'm gonna go for the third one as this is the one offering with the most amount of upgrade. In the ticker option, I'm choosing this 3.8 8-core 10th Gen i7 processor instead of this big boy. I will be upgrading it later with third-party RAM from Amazon without breaking the bank or voiding the Apple warranty. Now comes the option of graphics. You see here, I was about to go for this one. I mean, I'm not a gamer, so I'm not gonna need anything bigger than that anyway. There you go, I've just saved myself another 368 euros. I'm going for the 1 terabyte, the 10 gigabyte Ethernet port. If you have a fiber optic or will have in the future, you're going to need this upgrade. If you use a NAS server now or in future, you're gonna need this anyway because that uses the 10 gig Ethernet connection for faster transfer speed. This option will also secure a better price should you choose to sell it in future. I'm just gonna go for the Magic Mouse 2 for now. Here comes the main reason for buying a Mac instead of a PC. Final Cut Pro 10 for extra 330. Okay, let's go to the bag. I think I'm gonna go for the Apple Care Plus AirPods Pro. Yeah, let's just buy it now. And I will see you in the next clip when my machine has been delivered. Alright folks, so I am unboxing this machine 2 weeks after the delivery because of being busy with a new case. Right now my excitement is hitting the roof. Oh yeah, remember the AirPods I ordered for myself? Got snatched away as soon as they were delivered by my oldest son, claiming he needs them more than I do. Okay, let's unveil this beauty. Wow, ain't that something? But more plastic to come off yet. I must say the build of this machine is so good, it seems like every component has been carved out of a block. I'm well impressed right now. The power cable is reasonably long. Let's unbox the peripherals. I'm going to open the Magic Mouse first. Sweet. If only the port was on the side instead of the bottom. That would have been nice. This Magic Keyboard, it's ultra light and it feels so small, yet it is exactly the same size keyboard as my MacBook Pro. There's the port and there's the on-off button, so excellent. And there's some paperwork. Let's see what we got there. Oh yeah, the Apple stickers and the microfiber cloth. Excellent. Don't forget the Lightning to USB cable. The I/O is still at the back, which I'm not a huge fan of. I must say, aesthetically speaking, this is the most beautiful computer in the market at the moment. So guys, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and do consider subscribing the channel, as in the next video I am planning to review this iMac and especially using FCPX on it. Also, my iPhone 12 Pro Max is being delivered tomorrow morning, hopefully. So a review of that will be uploaded in next few days. Thanks for being here. Bye for now. This box on my left, your right, was delivered on the 27th of September, and today is the 15th of September. No, what the hell am I talking about? I've got my cutter with me and I know which side to open first. It's the wrong way.